Hello children, welcome you all in today's class. In today's class, we will discuss the homework answers which was given in the previous class, and we will see few more problems from exercise 6.4. Okay, so the second sum from exercise 6.4, here we have to find how many digits are there in the square root of the given number. Okay, so when we make bars in pair of 2, here you get 2 bars. The number of digits in the square root will be 2. Okay, and for this one also you get 2 bars in pair of 2, so you will get 2 numbers in the square root, and here you get 3 bars, so in the square root you will get 3 numbers. Okay, now we have to find the square root of 7.29. okay, so remember long division. Okay, so here 2 2s are 4. Okay, so what is left out? 3 is left out. Now keep the decimal point and bring down 29. Now here write 4. Okay, so here it is 9. So we have to write either 3 or 7 here. Okay, so check and see. 43 into 3 is how much? 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. Leave it. 47 into 7 is how much? 7 7s are 49. 7 4s are 28. 28 plus 4 is 32. Is it clear? So 7 and 7. That is 329. Balance is 0. So the square root of 7.29 is equal to 2.7. Clear? Next, 51.84 is given. So here it is 51. 6 6 are 36, 7 7 are 49, 8 8 are 64. 64 is going beyond 51, but 7 7 are 49 is less than 51. Okay. Now subtract. What will you get? 2. Keep the decimal point and bring down 84. Okay. And 7 plus 7 is 14. Okay. So here it is 4. So either you have to write 2 or 8. Okay. So check 142 into 2. How much it is? 2 2s are 4. 2 4s are 8 plus 1. 9. So how much it is? 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, and 2 1s are 2. So 284 you got. So 2 and 2, and you will get 284, and the remaining is 0. So the square root of 51.84 is equal to 7.2. Is it clear for all of you? Next one is 42.25. Okay. So same way, 42.25. Okay, 42 is here. 6 6 are 36, 7 7 are 49. 49 goes beyond 42. So you can write 6 6 are 36. Now subtract. It is 6. Okay, and keep the decimal point and bring down 25. Now 6 plus 6, 12. So here 5. So obviously it is 5. So 5 5s are 25. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 5 1s are 5 plus 1, 6. 0. Okay. So the square root of 42.25 is how much? It is 6.5. Understood all of you? So kindly check your answers. Question number 195, that is, we have to find the number that should be subtracted from this to get a perfect square. Okay. So for that we have to first do the long division. Okay. So 2 2s are 4. Anything remaining? No. So bring down 2 as it is. Okay. So what will we write here? 4. Okay. And this is 0 2, and we need not write anything, simply 0 only. Okay. So 2 is the balance. Okay. So now the number that comes as the balance, that is the remainder, should be subtracted from the question. Okay. So write 2 should be subtracted from 402. So what is 402 minus 2? That is 400. Okay. And what is the square root of 400? It is, what is given here? 20, right? So if it is 0 here, then no remainder will be left out, no? So 20 is the square root of 400. Okay, is it clear? So coming to the next one. So same process. Do long division. 19 is given. So 4 4s are 16. Okay, so what is left out? 3 is left out. So bring down 89. And here you will write 8. 4 plus 4 is 8. Okay, and here it is 9. Okay, so check 82 into 2. How much it is? 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16. Okay, 83 into 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 8s are 24. Okay, next 84 into 4. So 4 4s are 16, 8 4s are 32, 32 plus 1, 33. Okay, and 85 into 5 will be more than 400. Okay, so here it is 389 only. So you can write this, that is 84 into 4 will give you 336. So if you subtract this, you will get 53. Okay, so write 53 should be subtracted from 1989. Okay, that is 1989 minus 53 will give you how much? It is 1936. Okay, if you subtract this, you will get this answer. So the square root of 1936 is 44. Is it clear, children? See, look here. If in place of 89 you have 36, then you will have the remainder as 0 only, no? Here 36 and again you will get 36 and the remainder will be 0. Okay? So here there should be 36. So then you will have the square root as 44. Understood? The next question is 825. Okay? So find do the long division. So 2 2s are 4, remaining 4, bring down 25. And here you will write 4. Okay, and here it is 425. Let us take it for 45 into 5. 5 5s are 25. 5 4s are 20, 20 plus 2 is 22. Okay, check it for 46 into 6. 6 6 are 36. 6 4s are 24. 24 plus 3, 27. Okay, 47 into 7. 7 7s are 49. 7 4s are 28. 28 plus 4, 32. Okay, next check it for 48 into 8. 48 into 8. 8 8s are 64. 8 4s are 32. 32 plus 6, 38. Okay, next check it for 49 into 9. 9 9s are 81. 9 4s are 36. 36 plus 8 is how much? 44. Okay, so here it is less than 441. So you can take this. Okay, so 48 into 8 is how much? 384. Okay, so if you subtract, what will you get? 41 is remaining. Okay, so you will write 41 should be subtracted from 825. Okay, so 825 minus 41. How much? 5 minus 1 is 4. 82 minus 4 is 78. Okay, so square root of 784. How much is that? It is 28. You can check it and see. Okay, 28 into 28 is how much? 8 8s are 64. 8 2s are 16. 16 plus 6, 22. 2 8s are 16. 2 to the 4 plus 1, 5. Okay, so 4, 6 plus 2, 8, and 5 plus 2, 7. Okay, 784, it is 28. Okay, next 4000 is given. So you can write 6 6 are 36, 4 remaining, and bring down. Okay, so you will have 12 here. Okay, and here it is 400, and here it is 12. Okay, so if you write 122 into 2, what will you get? 2 to the 4, 2 to the 4, 2 ones are 2. Next, 123 into 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3. Okay, next 124 into 4, 4 4s are 16, 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 1, 9, 4 1s are 4. This is beyond 400. So take this one. Okay, so 123 into 3 will give you 369. So if you subtract this, what will you get? 31. Okay, so right, 31 should be subtracted from 4000. Okay, so 4000 minus 31 is how much? It is 3969. Yes or no? Yes. Okay, so now the square root of 3969 is 63. Is it clear? Check and see. 63 into 63. 3 3s are 9. 3 6s are 18. 6 3s are 18. 6 6 are 36. 36 plus 1, 37. So 9. 8 plus 8, 16. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 7, 9. And 3. So 3969. Is it clear? So the square root of 3969 is 63. Okay. So we have discussed all the homework answers. Kindly check all your answers with it. Now let us enter into today's class. Fifth question from exercise 6.4. Find the least number which must be added to each of the following numbers so as to get a perfect square. Also find the square root of the perfect square so obtained. So in the previous question we saw the number that must be subtracted, and here we are going to see the number that must be added. Okay, so same process. Find the square root by long divisions. Okay, 1 remaining, bring down 25. Okay, so here it is 4, and you will have 43 into 3 is how much? 3 3s are 9 and 4 3s are 12. This is beyond this. So do 42 into 2. It is 2 2s are 4 and 2 4s are 8. Okay, so 42 into 2 is 84. And if you subtract, what will you get? 41. Okay, so that means 22 square is less than the given number. Yes or no? Because remaining 41 you have. So if this 41 is subtracted here, okay, only then you will get 22 as the square root. Yes or no? Yes. So this number is, that is 525 is greater than 22 square. Okay, or else you can write 22 square less than 525. 5. Okay. So what will be the next square number after 22 square? 23 square. So find what is 23 square. 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. Okay. So 9, 529. Okay. So 23 square is equal to 529. Now subtract this one and this one. So what will you get? 529 minus 525. So what is the answer? It is 4. Okay. So 4 should be added to 525. Okay. So that you will get a perfect number. Actually here 41 is if 41 is subtracted, then you will get 22 square. Okay. So to get the 23 square, the next square, which number you have to add? That is the thing we have to find. So you will find the difference between this number and the 23 square. Okay. So 4 should be added to 525. Is it clear? So coming to this one, look here. 4 4s are 16. Okay. 2 remaining. Bring down 25. So 8 you will write here. Okay. So 81 into 1, 81. 82 into 2, somewhere near 160 or 64 or something else. Okay. Next 83 into 3, it will be more than 240. Okay. So you can write here, yes or no? See, look here, 81 into 1 is 81. 82 into 2 is how much? 2 2s are 4 and 2 8s are 16. 83 into 3 is how much? It is 3 3s are 9 and 3 8s are 24. This is more than 240, right? So you can take only this one. So 2 and 2. So 164. So what is the remaining actually? 1 and 22 minus 16 is 6. So 61 is remaining. Okay. So if you subtract 61 from this, you will get one square number, and that will be and 42 will be the square root of that number. Okay. So now don't consider this. Okay. So no need for finding a number that must be added, no need of considering the remainder. Just leave it as it is. Now from this we could understand that 42 square is less than 1825. Now find what is 43 square. Okay, so 43 into 43. 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16 plus 1, 17. So 9, 4, 8, 1, 1849. That is 1849. Now you have to 1849 minus 1825 is equal to 9 minus 5, 4. 4 minus 2, 2. And 18 minus 18 is 0. So 24 should be added to 1825 so that you will get 1849, and the square root of 1849 is 43. Understood? So for this question you will be adding 4, and for this question you will be adding 24. Okay. So here you will write 4 should be added and square root of 529 is 23. The conclusion. Okay. Then for this question 24 should be added and square root of 1849 is 43. Okay. Is it clear? So that's all. Kindly try to understand everything. Concentrate properly. Listen carefully. Okay. That's all for today's class. Thank you and have a nice day.